6 o'clock with the coronavirus cases in our area, specifically an uptick in Harris County, an increase that caught our attention. So tonight we are once again digging into the numbers to give you even more perspective.
These are the numbers that we're focusing on. The number of daily positive cases in 5 of the last 6 days is at or above 205. Again, this is Harris County, and that is an increase from the previous week.
Channel 2 investigator Robert Arnold is looking into this tonight. And Robert, the medical experts that you're talking to say daily totals don't always paint the best picture. Am I right?
That's correct, because too many things can factor into those raw numbers on a daily basis. The doctors we spoke with say a better guide is something called the positivity rate. That is the percentage of people testing positive for the virus.
It gives a sense for what is the general risk out there.
Dr. Prathit Kulkarni is an assistant professor of medicine, infectious diseases at Baylor College of Medicine. According to state data analyzed by Channel 2 Investigates, the positivity rate has plateaued at between 5 to 7% over the last 3 weeks. Kulkarni says what we are not seeing is a daily decline in this rate. So what does that mean to you?
Wear a mask, social distancing, hand washing, staying away from sick people.
Kulkarni says what we need to see is a daily decline over a 2-week period before starting to relax. Another measuring stick is hospitalization rates. Statewide and in our region, these rates have also plateaued, but that's good. No big spikes means our healthcare system is not getting overwhelmed.
You have to make sure that you don't have small outbreaks in certain areas.
That is going to be crucial going forward as the state continues reopening. So-called contact tracers can help identify hotspots. County Judge Lena Hidalgo says at least 300 contact tracers will be ready to go next week.
And that should be right on time for when we start seeing symptoms and hospitalizations from folks who've been out and about since the governor's reopening.
The city and county also continue pushing for more testing to paint a clearer picture of how widespread this virus is.
And the goal is to have testing all over the city, as we indicated, 24 to 25 sites, testing sites by the end of the month.
And bear in mind, only about 2% of Texas's population has been tested. Those tests and those contact tracers can also be key in finding those who are asymptomatic. That means those who have the virus and are spreading it without realizing it. When we contacted all the counties in our area and the state to ask about that information, only Galveston County could tell us that 18% of its positive cases are those who are asymptomatic. State officials said they only started collecting that specific data less than a month ago, and therefore they don't have enough data to draw any kind of conclusions yet. Reporting live from Northwest Houston, Robert Arnold, KPRC, Channel 2 News.